Hello guys, what's up? Today I will show you something. If you face this kinds of issue in your Facebook account, so don't worry. Like you have suspended your account, also if you face your account has been disabled, so don't worry. We will fix these kinds of issue easily. Because if you don't have your document, I mean, if you don't want to share your government ID card with Facebook, also your name and your Facebook account name doesn't match, so don't worry, we will fix these kinds of issue. We don't need your any government ID, or we don't need any document to fix this, so just directly contact with us. We fix these kinds of Facebook issue. We also fix Facebook locked account without uploading your government ID card. So thank you for watching this, or if you need any kinds of support from me, this kinds of this related issue, so inbox me or mail me. I will show my information in description.